Rocks and minerals. Rocks. Rock is a solid aggregate of one or more minerals. Outer solid layer of the earth is made up of rocks. Rocks are present on the earth in various forms such as mountains, riverbeds, and canyons. Rocks may differ from each other in chemical composition, shape, size, way of formation, and other aspects. Based on their way of formation, rocks are categorized into three categories: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Our earth mainly consists of three layers. These are crust, mantle, and core respectively. The uppermost layer of the earth is known as the crust. The layer underlying the crust is known as the mantle. Lowermost layer is known as the core. This core is further divided into two subcategories as outer core and inner core. Outer part of the lowermost layer of the earth, known as core, is made up of molten rock. This outer part of core is called outer core, and molten rock is known as magma. The internal part of core, known as internal core, is made up of solid rock. The layer next to outer core is known as the mantle. In mantle, rock exists in liquid form with small stones. Molten rock present in inner core and mantle flows out onto the Earth's surface due to volcano eruption. After reaching the Earth's surface, magma is known as lava. This lava slowly cools down and forms igneous rocks. Roughly 95% of the Earth's crust is made up of igneous rocks. Based on the cooling rate of lava, igneous rocks are of various kinds. Granite. Granite is the most abundant form of igneous rock. It is very hard in nature. Granite is formed by slow cooling of lava. Granite comes in many colors and patterns depending on its chemical composition. Granite mostly occurs in pink and grey colors. Due to its hard nature, granite is mostly used in construction of buildings as well as flooring tiles. Obsidian. Unlike granite, obsidian is formed by a rapid cooling of lava. Obsidian is very similar to glass in appearance. It is mostly found in black or dark colors. It is shiny in nature and has sharp edges. It is widely used in ornamental purposes. Obsidian is also used in surgical purposes. Pumice. Pumice is formed by quick cooling of lava. Pumice is hard in nature but is a porous form of rock. This porosity adds lightweight characteristics to pumice, which enables it to float on water. Pumice is mostly used in making of concrete blocks, decorative landscapes. Pumice is also used in cosmetic industry and is domestically used as a scrubber. Basalt. Basalt is hard form of igneous rock and is formed by quick cooling of lava. Unlike pumice, basalt is highly dense in structure. It mostly occurs in dark colors. Basalt is used in construction of roads. Sedimentary rocks. Due to weathering, rocks present on Earth's surface constantly break down into smaller pieces. This causes the formation of pebbles, gravel, sand, and clay. Altogether, they are known as sediments. These sediments move from place to place by means of rivers and streams. These sediments form a layer on the Earth's surface. With passage of time, more and more sediments get deposited over this layer. Due to atmospheric pressure and temperature, these layers get combined and form solid rocks. Rocks formed in such a way are known as sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are mostly formed under the water. Although sedimentary rocks cover nearly 3/4 of the Earth's surface, still their volume count is less than 5% to the total of the Earth's rocks. Based on their chemical composition and nature, sedimentary rocks are classified in various classes. Sandstone. Sandstone is also known as the most common form of sedimentary rock. It is a soft form of sedimentary rock formed by deposition of sand particles close together. Sandstone mainly consists of minerals. Red sandstone and yellow sandstone are widely used in building purposes. From ancient era, sandstone is used for building purposes. Delhi's Red Fort, Fort of Agra, and many other places of Rajasthan are made of sandstone. Conglomerate. When pebbles, gravel, and stones are cemented together by minerals, conglomerate is formed. Conglomerate is rough in appearance and hard in nature. Conglomerate remains unaffected from weathering. It is mainly used in construction field and is polished to make ornaments. Shale. Shale is a softer form of sedimentary rock made up of fine grains of clay and mud that settles down at the bottom of an ocean, river, or lake. In wet condition, shale smells like mud. It occurs in many colors including green, red, and black. It is mostly used for making cement, bricks, and in surfacing roads. Limestone. Limestone is a soft type of rock which is mainly made up of minerals known as calcite. Limestone also consists of tiny bits of animal shells. It is not only used in industries like medicines and cosmetics, but also used in things like whitewash, paint, cement, etc. Metamorphic rocks. Rocks formed due to physical and chemical changes in igneous or sedimentary rocks are known as metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are actually a converted version of igneous and sedimentary rocks. Sometimes new metamorphic rocks are also formed by older metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic term is originated from word morph, meaning to change. It takes millions of years to convert an igneous or sedimentary rock into metamorphic rock. Extremely high pressure and huge amount of heat leads igneous and sedimentary rocks towards their conversion. According to their appearance and nature, metamorphic rocks are mainly categorized in 4 types. Marble. Marble is a metamorphic form of sedimentary rock, limestone. Marble is mainly used as a flooring material. It is widely used in making of statues. Polished marble is also used for ornamental purposes. Slate. Slate is a metamorphic form of sedimentary rock, shale. It is usually found in dark colors. Slate splits into flat layers as like shale. It is used in making blackboards, bricks, cements, etc. Gneiss. Gneiss is a metamorphic form of igneous rock, granite. It contains various types of minerals which gives it a striped look. It is mostly used as a building stone. Quartzite. Gneiss is a metamorphic form of sedimentary rock, sandstone. It is very hard in nature. It remains unaffected from weathering and formed from the sandstones which are rich in mineral quartz. Quartzite is mainly used in ceramic and glass industry. It is also used for ornamental purposes. Minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring chemical compounds having fixed chemical composition and exist usually in crystalline form. Minerals are formed due to natural processes within the Earth's crust. Depending on their chemical composition and structure, minerals may be simple substances or the complex ones. Minerals are those elementary substances which all the rocks are made up of. Minerals are broadly categorized into 2 types: metallic and non-metallic. From metallic minerals, we extract useful metals. On the other hand, from non-metallic minerals, we get many useful substances such as coal, petroleum, etc. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those minerals from which we can extract useful metals. Some examples of metallic minerals are bauxite, hematite, magnetite, cuprite, etc. Metals like aluminium, iron, copper, gold, silver are obtained from their ores found in the Earth's crust. These ores are known as metallic minerals. Metals extracted from these minerals are used in making of electrical appliances, in construction field, and many more areas. Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are those minerals which do not contain metals. Non-metallic minerals also have great importance in our life. Some examples of non-metallic minerals are coal, petroleum, limestone, phosphorus, oil, gravel, potassium, etc. Non-metallic minerals are mostly used as fuel and construction material. Coal. Coal is a mineral obtained from the Earth's crust. Coal is a solid fuel and is widely used to fulfill energy needs. It is also used to generate electricity at thermal power plants. Quality of coal depends on its carbon content. Although coal is not a clean source of energy, but still it is widely used as a fuel. Coal falls under the category of fossil fuels. Formation of coal is a pretty long process. Coal is formed from dead plant matter buried under the earth. Over millions of years, under the great pressure, dead plant matter decays and forms a layer of coal. With passage of time, more and more matter gets deposited and forms a solid layer of coal. Deposition of coal in huge amount at a certain place leads towards formation of coal mine. Coal is extracted from these mines with the help of heavy machineries and manpower. Petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Formation of petroleum is similar to that of coal. Petroleum is formed by settling of dead organisms on the ocean floor. These dead organisms are buried underneath sedimentary rocks. With the passage of time and due to extreme pressure and temperature, they turned into petroleum. Petroleum is pumped out from the Earth's crust using oil wells. Oil wells are mainly found along with ocean shores. Most of the oil wells are located near the Gulf of Mexico. Petroleum is considered as the most important fuel. Petroleum is mainly used to run automobiles, locomotives, machines, and also used in cosmetic industry, medical treatment, dry cleaning purposes, etc. Conservation of fossil fuels. It takes millions of years to form fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are exhaustible in nature and will not last forever. We have limited deposits of fossil fuels which are decreasing day by day. Excessive consumption of fossil fuels causes pollution. Keeping all these factors in mind, we need to conserve the fossil fuels. Fossil fuels can be conserved by promoting energy resources such as solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, etc. Renewable energy resources are inexhaustible in nature and generate clean energy.